REBUNE microwave, digital microwave. Looks like this, 14,500. It has 8 power auto menus. Alafu pia iko na 5 power levels. Looks like this. Unaona? Buttons zake ziko hapa hivi. Alafu hii glass door inakana na hivyo 30 liters capacity. Kuna 900 watts power output. Looks like this inside, very beautiful. Alafu pia iko na this instructional manual and a warranty card. Utasainiwa before you leave with it. Sasa ndio at least if anything happens to your microwave within the 2-year period, you can still bring it back and then we exchange it for you, ama we repair it or whatever you wish. Sindio? Yes, so you can come and get this one right here at Patazone. Microwave ya REBUNE 30 liters capacity. Sasa? Yes. One.